Let's look at an example problem that involves finding the measure of the midsegment of a triangle. In this problem, we're being asked to find the measure of UW, here's UW, and also the measure of angle SVU. The measure of angle SVU. Let's look back at a theorem that we've had, we've learned about the triangle midsegment. Recall that the midsegment of a triangle, it's parallel to the third side, and the length is half the length of that side. Well, remembering this, finding these measures is going to be just a piece of cake, because what is UW? UW is a midsegment. And according to the theorem, UW is going to be half of line of TS. UW is equal to 1/2 of TS. Sorry about that, that's TS. But what is TS equal to? TS is equal to 14.6. So UW is simply half of 14.6, and that's equal to 7.3. So UW is 7 3/10. Let's look at the other part of this question. Find the measure of angle SVU. Well, remember the theorem, it said that the midsegment was parallel to the third side. You remember when we had parallel lines cut by transversal? What kind of angles were congruent? Remember that theorem that says if lines are parallel, then what? This angle right here is alternate with this angle right here, which is the one we're trying to find. Okay? So the theorem says two lines parallel cut by transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. So if this angle right here, VUW, is 47 degrees, the measure of angle SVU is also 47 degrees. And that's based on alternate interior angles are congruent if the lines are parallel.